Hi folks, I'm Mark with Artisan Restoration, and we're looking at a home that's probably about 20 years old. It's a full hand-scribed log home with bad rot in the corners. The owner sent me a message saying that logs fell off, and I can understand why. Take a look here. A gutter might have prevented this, but that top log has been catching water for years and running it down the corner. So we probably got 20 corners to do. This gable here is in good shape. I'm kind of amazed, but the overhang tapers out an extra 2 feet, so it's protected those logs pretty well. Over here's where the bottom three have basically rotted right off, and it's rotted back to the intersection of the at the corner, so they all got to be replaced on the one side, and this side here is cut back, thank goodness. We got about a 3-foot overhang here, so that's really helpful. But those top logs that have been sticking out in the weather are, this one here is starting to deteriorate, and we'll cut that off before it causes any more problems. I don't know if we can save it or not. Up front here, they've got some purlins that are real close to the fascia, and they got to get sealed before they cause any issues. And anyhow, this last corner over here is a candidate for a lot of repairs. It's probably affected every log on this corner except for the ones facing it off to the right here. But some of them are bad too, because these dark, you can hear that's hollow back there. But we might be able to save that with epoxy and just replace the ones in the front. So we got at least 20 crowns to do, and maybe some work on the purlins up there too. So anyway, it's like a 911 call. I told the owner, we got to get on this year before it gets any worse. So thanks for watching, folks. Bye.